44. If 2x plus 40 minus x minus 3 plus 3x minus 49 is greater than 0 and x is an integer, what is the minimum value of x? Although it isn't impossible for x to be 0, it's more likely that x will have a positive value, and therefore we should begin by considering its value to be 1. We can think about the rules of BODMAS to help us, and of course that will tell us which order the calculations should be carried out in. B is for brackets, so that means we start with x minus 3. If x is 1, then 1 minus 3 would be minus 2. We can now deal with all the additions and subtractions. 2x would of course be 2 lots of 1, which is 2. 2 plus 40 would be 42. If we subtract minus 2 from 42, then this would give us 44. To that 44, we need to add 3 more, 3 lots of x. So 44 plus 3 makes 47. We finally subtract 49. 47 take away 49 is minus 2, and minus 2 is less than 0, not greater than 0. So that means the value of x cannot be 1. So we can now try 2 as the value of x. X minus 3 would therefore be minus 1. At the beginning of the calculation, 2x would be 4, and 4 plus 40 would of course be 44. 44 minus minus 1 would give 45, as we effectively add on 1. 45 plus 3 lots of x, which would equate to 6, would give us 51. Finally, 51 minus 49 gives a value of 2. 2 is greater than 0. So the minimum value of x would therefore be 2, meaning option C is the right answer to this question.